I'm happy with the peace we now have. Thank you for going with us.
I now believe this saying that you don't judge a book by its cover. Honestly, Oboefi, you are a good man.
Thank you. But actually, I am a man who is committed to peace. Absolutely. You may call me the most misunderstood man in this kingdom. And you will not be far from the truth. I don't have any problem with anybody. My only problem is I hate to see things being done the wrong way. I hate to see people leading other people astray. That was my main problem with letting Zobiora. Because to him, everything was money. Everything was money to the human being.
This is now a new era of peace. And we shall all live long to enjoy it. We shall all live long to enjoy it.
That is it. I think I completely agree with you. You know, one thing about people must never forget is that the tradition of a people is their secret unto success. Show me a people that abandon their tradition, and I will show you a people that are destined for doom.
A compendium of knowledge.
This is a new era in our life, like you said, and we have to live to enjoy what is coming. I think we have to.
Honestly.
Let us share for the new beginning. No, I think I'm. I think it's the that work.
Oh, come on.
I think I want to go to. What will you know? One.
My prince, you are welcome.
Thank you very much, Mazi. Thank you, thank you. It is good to be here. Mazi, thank you very much. And I also want to thank you for allowing her stay with you through these times. You see, I would have been here earlier, but a lot was going on in Umungene that required my presence.
My prince, I hold nothing against you. She's my daughter. And I know both of you were talking over the phone several times each day.
You would not let me rest.
That is because your voice kept me going, baby. Thank you for standing by me through those times.
You're welcome, my lord. And if I had the opportunity to do it again, I would do it over and over and over again.
Anyway, I had all that happened. Look, sometimes things like this happen, but all is for good. But I'm really proud of you two for not giving up on your love.
There was no way we could have given up on each other. We knew from the deepest part of our hearts that we wouldn't be able to live without each other. Everything is fine now. Peace has returned to Umungene. The elders have accepted to do what they vehemently disagreed with and rejected. So we're all fine now.
That is a good news. And I know that nothing will ever stop you from taking her as your wife.
Nothing will stop me. However, I'm still waiting on her father, Ichie Lobutife. He has a role to play in all of this. But as soon as he does what he's meant to do for us, we shall become man and wife.
Oh, my prince. That will be great.
Let me get you something to eat real quick before you head to Mungu.
Because you know how much I have missed your cooking.
I'll be back soon.
All right, baby.
Thank you. I'm coming, Uncle.
Wait, my prince, once again, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Nze, ilo putif,
Yeah, and I'll let all my caniches.
Nze ilo putif.
My prince.
The one who, as an ordinary Ichie, refused me her daughter as a wife. You have come to see me today. No, you're welcome to my palace. To what do I owe this visit?
You know I feel very pained hearing that. But now everything is settled. And that is why I have come to apologize to you. I am sorry.
It's fine.
Destiny can be delayed, but cannot be changed.
Right.
Now I know that you and my daughter are destined to be together. You have my full support.
Dalo.
I've accepted you as my son-in-law again.
Dalo.
And I promise to make up for the time I wasted for you.
It is fine, Onyanze. You wasted no time at all. We went through an ordeal that was necessary for proper understanding so that we can move forward as a people. So it is fine. But let me take this special gift as my first gay for having you join the prestigious Zenozo group. Once again, you're welcome. And speaking of your daughter, I want you to know that things are fine with us. We kept talking, we kept communicating. Even all through the times that, the tension was high or we went through that phase of unnecessary politics, we were talking. Because our love for each other is real. I love your daughter. She's my queen. I will always be my queen.
I am happy to hear that. Thanks immensely for what you have done for us.
You're welcome.
I know exactly what to do.
Right. I trust you. For the first time, let me entertain you.
Ah, my prince. Don't bother. Don't bother.
Welcome, Papa.
I am really sorry for what I did to you, my daughter. I thought I was making the right choice for you. I never knew I was wrong. Thank God you stood your ground. I have given my consent to proceed with the one you love, the heir to the throne of our Umungene. Come with me so we can make all things right again.
There is nothing to add, my in-law. You are indeed a man of words. You summarized everything in one presentation. Thank you for coming. You are going now with her.
Just like that, Uncle. Without any apologies to you. I mean, to be honest, I don't need any apologies from him, but you deserve an apology.
Belinda, my daughter, that is where you got it wrong. I did none of his apologies. Rather, you are the one that needs the apology. And he has rendered a wonderful one. My in-law, once again, you are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go in. I'm surprised we are conducting this business outside. Let's go in. Let's go. You are welcome.
I was the man. Hey,
Adam, we are so sorry for what we did.
Biko Bagala. Eh? Forgive us. God knows why all these things happened.
It's okay, Mother. I miss my parents.
I miss you too. No, don't come back.
You know what? I prepared your favorite. Unripe plantain with fresh fish, garnished with tomatoes and fresh pepper.
Are you serious?
Just for you. It's okay, I'll go and dish it to my
What of my own favorite? Or am I not the one that went and brought her back?
I don't have your time now. Let me go and tend to my daughter.
Oh.
We are coming.
Like daughter, like mother.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank God for everything. Oh. At least peace can be restored.
Yeah, I'm so happy you're back. See how you're shining. This vacation is so good on you. See how you're glowing.
You call that a vacation?
Of course.
Okay. But girls, I missed you too.
Missed you too. But you didn't try. You just disappeared.
I'm sorry. It was a situation of things at the time. But I'm back now.
So baby girl, give us the gist.
Well, the gist is as simple as ABC. You are now looking at the new queen of Umungene.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
So you are still getting married to the prince?
Of course, and very soon too.
Wow.
Thank you. And guess what? My once disappointed father is now so excited he can't even wait.
So everything is settled now?
Yes.
My friend, I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you too.
Thank you.
We'll miss you. And we also have a surprise for you. You remember we told you we are going back for our HND? We were offered admission.
I am so excited! Oh my God! This calls for celebration!
Yes, it calls for celebration. And we're going to have guest hangouts.
Yes,
before Her Royal Majesty leaves to our husband's house.
You are absolutely right. Let me go inside, get my phone, get a bag, and change my shoes.
Of course,
Yay! We're
she's looking like a queen
celebrating!
already. She's so fine. So happy for her.
Honestly, Basim, I don't understand this. Who is this man and why is he kneeling in front of me?
This man has been forgiven by the princess because he has begged her. And according to what he told me, made me to understand that he pleaded with her and she forgave him. But my prince, please, something is really wrong somewhere. This family is really sinking. I would want you to step in now as the prince. Your father, His Royal Majesty, Ezomiligwe VI of Umongene Kingdom. I think he has risen against his family. I am begging you, please, please, pity this repented brother, please.
You have made me more confused. What connection does this young man have with my father?
Huh? What exactly is going on here?
My princess, it's the same thing I begged you before. You have forgiven me, but your father is still angry with my family. We are at the verge of bankruptcy. I have been told that the prince has to pray for me with the crown of the king before the anger of the king will free my family.
Well, if it's something you feel like doing, then you go ahead and do it. I have already forgiven him and I have moved on with my life.
No, my princess, please. You see, this thing, you don't really need to leave it for your brother alone to do. Please. This is a request they are making from the entire family. And it will take a unanimous prayer from this family to free this man from what he's passing through. I beg you. Because the father had already paid for his manipulations. And please, so that he won't suffer too much. Because
Who is your father?
His father was Silas Ilo.
Oh.
Obuko ndụ anyị ndụ nwoke ndụ nwanyị anyị adụ n'ụgwọ fọnụrụ ohiyo ogbu efi asịsị wepụ ahụ ka obodo dum oke mmadụ si wepụ ahụ na ọ ga-adịrị gị mma n'ihi ejiri obodo nụrụ obodo
Ise.
Asim ka gamuna majija muna wuku jirija ki jana.
Isa.
Njodi hu ino ina azu na azu ino ina ezi ihu.
Otu aka ọ dị.
Ngongi je konya akona hinaru. Mosi furu watu kwe. Asim ikukuburu ya o.
Isa o.
Kangoro ngom. Wa trenu bi munyanda ta yo so ntebi madika neta ya nnu. Ijojiro obodo nro obodo ndị mbụ ndị egede ndị ji eji ozi ndị ji ayi eji ozi ndị na-ejiri ozi ndị jere na-ejiri ayi ozi asị narakwa na ụfọdụ wee na oji ata anyị ya n'ogbe ka anyị taa ya n'ibe o.
Ise ụgbọ ebe nwunye zọpa.
Ka anyị gụrụ ka o ji esi ire o lekwa nrụgwa ọfọ nrụ ohi o. Ihe bụ aka ete na dị ya bụ ihe ndị afụ na ndị eji afụ ndị ma na ndị eji ama ihe ogbu efisi wepụ aghụghọ oke mmadụ Oifibia
Odogwu. Odogwu. He will be getting married to his woman tomorrow. And we are planning to crown him king the next Ekemake day.
Echinka.
Ishi.
Lodge.
Na lodge.
Oh. N'eze echiri mbọsị eke echicha ahụ kere ahụ okerecha ahụ ya kere gaba o kere na-aga n'ihu. I don't have a problem with that.
Good. I actually came to find out where you want the coronation to take place. Or should we go to the central deity? Or is it going to happen at Obimbako? Where? So that we know where to set up the occasion.
Efisi wepụ ahụ anaghị eji ọkụ achọ efe maka na efe n'onwe ya bụ ọkụ. Ife agba n'aka anaghị eji enyo enene ya maka ọ na-abụ ekwu ife ọjọọ taba ọnụ ma ekwu ife ọma ọma ọnụ mma ọ pụtala onwe ya ife. You see, it would have taken place at Obimbako had it been a different family that will be producing the new king. But since it is the prince, the son of the late king, every fair recording, I hear therefore, the ceremony would definitely take place in his father's obi in the palace.
That makes everything easy for me. I will set all the machinery in motion, and then on that Ekemake day, I will come to pick you here by 10 a.m. That is if you will be ready.
Don't worry about myself. No. My days are generally open. Yes, for the best of the sky, they can always find their way to any tree, including the greatest of the trees and maybe. So I don't have a problem. I will find my way to the palace. I can always find my way to the palace. Yes. Yeah? My good friend.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby, when you saw that?
As a crowned prince of Umunkene Kingdom, and as the heir to the throne, I decree total forgiveness. I hold this crown over your head. Whatever forgiveness and healing that you seek through this crown, that you shall get.
You see.
Whatever wave of anger from my father that is crippling the fortunes of your family, may it be reversed after this.
You see.
So shall it be on Eke Market Day. So shall it be on Ori Market Day. So shall it be with you on our for Market Day. So shall it be on Onkwo Market Day. Young man, Look at me. I decree here and now that you are forgiven and you shall live to the fulfillment of your destiny.
You say
you are forgiven.
Yes. Thank you, my prince. Thank you for a benevolent gesture. I will not forget this until I die. Thank you, my prince. I will remain a friend to this royal family.
Go in peace. You are forgiven.
Martins, when did you come back?
I'm just coming back. I'm so sorry that we have to pass through such experience. Something in me asked me not to marry anyone else. That I still have a chance with the one that I love. I'm very much single. So I came back to know if that chance is still there for me.
Oh my God.
Because you still remain the only woman that I have ever loved. Please, I still want you to be my wife.
How beautiful. This is indeed a day of forgiveness and reconciliation. If the both of you will oblige me and kneel here, I'd like to say a few words of prayer. In my capacity as the prince and heir to the throne of Omongene, I hold up over your heads the crown of my father. And today, I bless this union. We are indeed thankful for this reconciliation. And for everything happens for a reason, and nothing stops God when He moves. Yes. Martins, you have made a beautiful decision by coming back.
Thank you.
And in my capacity as a prince and the family's representative, I tell you here and now that we shall give Asanze to you as a wife. After my coronation as king. Huh? You and your family are invited. Wow. And every other person is invited. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you. You're right. Huh? This is indeed a very beautiful day.
Yes.
All right, this young man, I believe that you're happy. I'm equally happy. And you all are getting me a bit excited and emotional. So we just might have some refreshment. Asanze, over to you.
Nice. Yes.
Please make yourselves comfortable.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Whatever thing that we remove from the goat to make it edible for human beings, those things are good for the swine. We are here as humans. We are not swines. And we are here for something big. Whatever town that is close to some people is actually far from other people. Obodo telaka welendo dinso. The greatest tragedy that can befall any man is to wage war against his she. Onye bulu she ozo. Bobu onwe ya. Today is indeed a great day. Because after the rain comes the thunder. That thunder is why we are here today. To experience the truth. Because today is that day that the truth is going to be established to be bigger than the biggest.
As Nana Habos, a dear Bineji Wadikaka. The Bayakin. Yeah. I can have moon. Yeah. Can I moon? Yeah. Can I moon? Oh. As Naka Lagana Lingo. Today is a special day, a remarkable day in the history of Umungene. My prince.
And now the spirit of my fathers, I know they are with me.
As Naya Galagano Lingola, if we got that much in your
Yeah.
Kwenu?
Yeah.
Where's one?
Yeah.
By the authority of the gods, I hereby crown you as the Omega Fulunanya of Umungene Kingdom. Igwe. Ofom ume. Ofom ume. Iya de de kwa oba. Ami ya de ume. The same offer I removed here when your father died. Ofom ume. The symbol of authority of kings in the Mungene kingdom. I hereby return same to this palace.
Yeah. We've been years about Udogu Akataka. No, I don't want to get a
Symbol of authority.
Yeah.
Kwenu?
Yeah.
Where's one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Ogbuefi.
With the same offer I return to this palace, you are going to rule us. And you will rule us in accordance with your conviction, according to your conscience, as a man of truth. You can get your wife.
Yeah.
Yes. egwuru m na na agba ozueri ya bi na eji gwa dị aka maka na oke dị ochi na-eri ji n'ogbe mana onye ọṅụṅụ oku na-eri ya n'ibe n'ibe a na-agwụgwọ n'ihe gburu ife agwụrụ ebie lile malụ ngwu amala onye kelee Gbamgbọrọgwụ ezughị ka ọ naanị ike gbamgbọrọgwụ ọ bụrụ na o zughị ọ naanị ike ngwa akwụkwọ aka ebe a
Ndị anyị ekene m ụnụ.
Igwe
Ụmụ nkene ekene m ụnụ. Ọ ya adịla anyị mma. Ọ ya adịla anyị mma. My heart indeed is filled with joy. A lot would say that they will rule, but I choose to say that I will lead. Because in leadership, I am still in service to the people. Owefi, you have said it all. Owefi Siwapago.
Odogu.
I hear you. It is indeed a new era for Umungene. An era of truth, an era of light. I give you all my word that I shall lead you all aright. I shall lead you beyond your imagination. If you look to my closest right, you shall see that I have also been blessed.
Wow.
With a beautiful queen.
Yeah.
My darling, from the moment I saw you, I knew that nothing will alter the love that I have for you in my heart. This is not my victory alone. This is our victory, baby. I want to say thank you to you in front of my very esteemed elders, in the presence of the people of Umungene. I want to thank you for standing by me through these times. Thank you. And I also pray that God keeps you alive so that you can unveil your plans for the women of Umungene. Thank you for being my brother.
He said,
thank you very much.
I have